Introducing the SPARC Enterprise T5440 server, the industry's highest capacity, most expandable chip multi-threading system to date, with up to 256 threads, 32 cores, 256 GB memory, and massive I/O bandwidth in just 4 rack units. Incorporating the latest generation of chip multi-threading technology, these quad-socket servers are the first to utilize the full scalability of the new SPARC T2 Plus processor. The SPARC Enterprise T5440 server optimizes the compute density available in a 4-rack unit platform. It provides twice the compute power of the earlier SPARC Enterprise T5140 and T5240 servers, and 4 times the compute power of the SPARC Enterprise T5120 and T5220. This extreme compute, memory, and I/O capacity significantly extends the capability of the server beyond Tier 1 and Tier 2 workloads, going deep into the data center to the most mission-critical application workloads. The SPARC Enterprise T5440 server is a rack-mountable 4-rack unit enterprise server featuring up to 4 SPARC T2 Plus processors, 8 high-performance PCI Express I/O expansion slots, and up to 256 GB of memory capacity with 4 GB DIMMs. The system is equipped with the same dual 10 Gigabit Ethernet connectivity as earlier CMT servers and builds on all aspects of performance by doubling the number of processors, doubling memory bandwidth and capacity, and doubling PCI Express I/O bandwidth compared to Sun's previous dual-socket servers. The server also features the SPARC T2 Plus crossbar ASIC, created by Sun to implement extremely low latency, high bandwidth inter-CPU coherency interconnects as required for this multi-socket design. Each SPARC T2 Plus processor uses the same 8 enhanced SPARC processing cores found in the SPARC T2 and is capable of processing 8 threads of execution per core, providing up to 256 threads of execution in a 4-socket configuration. Each processor retains 8 floating point cores and 8 crypto acceleration units in a 4-socket configuration. The system now provides practically 4 times the floating point and cryptographic throughput of a single T2 processor. This capability makes the SPARC Enterprise T5440 server capable of securely handling the most computation-intensive workloads. Once again, Sun has leveraged its class-leading physical design by utilizing the same chassis, power supplies, disks, and fans used elsewhere in our outstanding Sun server line. Memory capacity in the 4-socket variant of the SPARC Enterprise T5440 is up to 64 DIMMs. These DIMMs provide up to 256 GB of memory using today's 4 GB DIMMs, and will offer up to ½ TB of capacity with tomorrow's 8 GB DIMMs. The server offers the industry's only integrated, flexible, open source, and no-cost virtualization technologies, with a choice of Solaris containers and logical domains, or LDOMs. By enabling up to 128 isolated domains per server, you can deploy more than 2,000 isolated domains per rack for ultimate server virtualization and consolidation. The ILOM 2.0 remote management capability of the SPARC Enterprise T5440 is identical to our recent SPARC servers, providing compatibility with our X64 line via a standardized set of management interfaces. Sun's adherence to industry standards is a significant driving factor in the provisioning of these remote management capabilities. In summary, with massive compute and I/O scalability and a space and power efficient footprint, coupled with no-cost integrated virtualization, the SPARC Enterprise T5440 server redefines performance, availability, and efficiency in mid-range computing by introducing the economics and efficiency of established CMT technologies.